The sealing discs of the GS3 sliding gate valve series can be replaced quickly and easily. To get this done, you'll need a clean cloth and cleaning agent, medium-strength thread locker, an Allen key, a flathead screwdriver, a new function unit, and an original replacement seal. First, turn off the power and compressed air. Make sure that the valve has fully reached its safety position. And note it for later comparison. Use the Allen key to unscrew and remove the body cover. Remove the old seal. A flathead screwdriver can help. Then, just press the function unit out of the body from behind by giving it a little pressure. Clean the sealing surfaces inside the body thoroughly using a cloth and a suitable cleaning agent. Then clean the sealing surfaces on the inside of the cover just as carefully. Use a suitable tool to remove any dirt or residue. Now take the new function unit. If you push the two sealing discs slightly apart, they can be easily put into the body. Put the new seal in place and put the cover back on. Now, apply medium-strength thread locker to all screws and screw them in loosely at first. Tighten all screws by hand. It is important to do this in a crisscross pattern to ensure even pressure on the seal. Finally, check that the valve's safety position is the way it should be. If it is, the valve is ready to be put back in line again.